The Hydro 3S Pool Cleaner is expertly designed to clean in-ground pool floors, walls, and waterlines with impressive precision, ensuring no area is left untouched. Equipped with dual centrifugal pumps, this cleaner boasts exceptional suction power, capable of filtering 100 gallons of water per minute, efficiently removing debris like leaves and sand. With its impressive battery life, the Hydro 3S can operate continuously for up to 300 minutes in eco mode, significantly reducing the need for frequent recharges. The Hydro 3S offers 4 distinct cleaning modes, allowing users to customize their pool cleaning routine for optimal results, whether focusing on floors, walls, or overall coverage. Weighing only 7.5 kilograms, this pool cleaner is both lightweight and portable, providing an easy-to-handle solution for both private and commercial pool owners. The intelligent HydroCurve algorithm ensures that the Hydro 3S cleans with maximum efficiency, making it a reliable choice for maintaining pristine pool conditions.